Hey everyone, Chrissy Tobis here for Kindred Stamps, and today I'm going to show you how to make that card. We are going to do it nice and quick. So I am using the new Medusa stamp set, and I really like the set. I love any type of mythology, Greek, Roman, Norse, whatever it is, I love it. So this set really just screamed my name when I saw it. So I stamped it really quick on a piece of watercolor cardstock, and then I also stamped it on a Post-it note, and that is to protect that stamped image. So now you can see I'm adding some powder on here. These are color bursts. So what's really cool about them is it looks like you're putting basically nothing on the paper, but when you add water, as you can see, it activates. So I chose this technique because one, it's a super quick and easy way to make a custom background. And two, I just kind of wanted to show how awesome they are because I love that look of like kind of tie-dye fireworks sort of looking background. I thought it would be perfect for Medusa, like with her snakes and everything like that. I don't know, it just seemed like it went really well together. If you don't have color burst, you can recreate this background. It won't be the same, but you could definitely use some sort of like distress inks or alcohol inks, watercolors, anything, kind of flick them and blend them on there to get a similar effect. So next, I'm coloring everything in. I am using aqua markers along with a water brush. You could use watercolors, you could use color pencils, alcohol markers, whatever worked. I just want a kind of a more softer look just to go with that background as well. Also, I'm really comfortable using the aqua markers. They're watercolor markers, so they're kind of like my go-to medium that I feel the most comfortable with. And it goes really fast. Now I sped this up, but watercoloring does go pretty quick too. And like I said, I wanted this to be a quick and easy card to really kind of show off how cute this stamp is. And then to assemble my card, I used some 3D foam squares and just adhered it to a standard black card base. So I used the black so it really kind of popped. But the watercolor, it buckles a little bit. So you can see I bent it a little bit there. Feel free to let it dry under a book or something heavy to make sure that it is nice and straight. So thank you so much for stopping by today. Have a great day.